Hi, my name is Peter McKenna. I'm chef ambassador for Maple from Canada, and today I'm making my maple glazed St. Bride's duck. First, we'll break the duck down and then we'll put it uncovered in the fridge. Once your bird is dry, you'll do a little bit of scoring. Cut into it, but make sure you don't hit the meat underneath the fat. You don't want to cook the breast while you're rendering down the fat. Once you've scored your beautiful duck, you get it into a pan. Make sure the pan's dry, because as soon as you put that duck into the pan, the fat's going to start rendering. Keep it moving around the pan. Try to get all the areas of that fat rendered down, and this will help in the cooking process later when you put it into the oven. So once it's nicely rendered, you've drained all the fat from the pan. You've got your oven preheated to 200 degrees. So put your duck breast facing upwards, so it's leaning on its back. So you're not going to overcook any part of those breasts. I like to bring my duck to 65-70 degrees. Let it rest for as long as it was in the oven. So for the glaze, I've got the amber maple syrup and I've also got the maple vinegar. I've mixed both of those together, bring it to the boil. Boil it slightly, because all you're looking to do is reduce it so it thickens up. So glaze liberally. The glaze is very important to have that balance. Without the balance, using maple vinegar, to get that gastric effect, it's too one-dimensional. But maple vinegar, it's got loads of nuances of spice in there. And then get some fresh orange and just zest it over it. For the garnish for this dish, the hen of the woods, we saute that down in a bit of good butter. So we've got some beautiful tender stem broccoli, bulgur and quinoa. The orange that we use for zesting, we'll use the flesh within the grains, and we'll also use the juice. We've got some sour cherry, great acidity, good background flavour. We mix all the ingredients for our salad, finish it with a little bit of olive oil. You've got your duck sitting there on the crown. You've got to carve. Take it one breast at a time. Split it straight down, go in and around the wishbone and then down to the wing, and then separate the connective tissue, and then use the tip of your knife just to gently edge the rest of it away from the bone. And then plating a nice pile of your grain salad in the center. Slice up your duck, nice even slices. Finish it with a little bit of sauce. I hope you enjoy eating it and making it as much as I have. For this recipe and many others, go to the website maplefromcanada.co.uk.